Imagine walking into a room full of people and feeling completely at ease. No self-doubt, no anxiety, just pure confidence. Sounds impossible? It's not. The truth is, confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you train your brain to develop. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Welcome. If you've ever struggled with self-doubt or felt like confidence is out of reach, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand the science of confidence, how your brain builds self-belief, and most importantly, how you can start training it today. Let's start with a simple question. What is confidence? Confidence isn't arrogance. It's not about always being right. Confidence is simply trusting yourself, believing that you can handle whatever life throws at you, and that belief, it comes from your brain. Step 1. Understanding neuroplasticity and confidence. Your brain is constantly changing thanks to something called neuroplasticity. This means that the more you practice confident behavior, the stronger your confidence pathways in the brain become. Every time you take a small step outside your comfort zone, your brain adapts and makes confidence your new default setting. Here's the key. The more you act confident, the more your brain rewires itself to be confident. Your thoughts create neural pathways, and the ones you use the most become the strongest. Step 2. The role of the amygdala in fear and confidence. Ever wonder why fear takes over when you're about to speak in public or meet new people? That's because of a small part of your brain called the amygdala. The amygdala is your brain's alarm system. It detects threats and triggers the fight or flight response. But here's the good news. The amygdala can be trained. When you repeatedly expose yourself to situations that scare you, your brain learns that these are not life-threatening. Over time, the fear response weakens and confidence grows. Step 3. The power of dopamine in confidence building. Dopamine is the brain's reward chemical. It's released when you experience success, even small ones. Every time you achieve something, your brain rewards you with a dopamine hit, reinforcing the behavior and making you want to repeat it. So here's what you do. Set small, achievable goals every day. Complete them. Celebrate them. This builds momentum and literally rewires your brain for confidence. Step 4. The fake it till you make it myth. You've probably heard the phrase fake it till you make it. But does it really work? Yes, but with a twist. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about acting as your future, confident self until your brain catches up. Studies show that when you stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with a steady voice, even if you don't feel confident, your brain starts producing confidence-boosting chemicals. Your body language actually tricks your brain into believing you're confident. Step 5. Rewiring your inner voice. Your brain listens to what you tell it. If you constantly say, "I'm not good enough," guess what? Your brain will make sure that belief sticks. But if you change your internal dialogue to, "I am learning, I am capable, and I can handle this," your brain adapts to support that belief. Try this. Every morning, write down 3 positive affirmations about yourself. Read them out loud. Over time, your subconscious mind will start believing them. Step 6. Exposure therapy, the confidence muscle. Confidence is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. The best way to train confidence? Exposure therapy. If social situations make you anxious, start small. Say hi to a stranger. Ask a cashier how their day is going. Gradually increase the challenge. Every time you take action, your brain updates its beliefs about what you're capable of. Step 7. The science of power poses. Did you know that standing in a power pose for 2 minutes increases testosterone, the confidence hormone, and decreases cortisol, the stress hormone? This isn't just motivation talk. It's backed by science. Before a stressful situation, stand tall, hands on hips, feet apart, and breathe deeply. This simple action signals to your brain that you are in control. Step 8. How sleep and exercise impact confidence. Your brain and body are deeply connected. Lack of sleep leads to higher cortisol levels, making you feel more anxious and less confident. Exercise, on the other hand, increases dopamine and serotonin, making you feel more capable. Prioritize good sleep. Move your body. Your confidence will thank you. Step 9. The 2-minute rule for instant confidence. If you're feeling nervous before a big moment, use the 2-minute rule. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and visualize yourself succeeding. See yourself walking into that room with confidence. Your brain will respond as if you've already succeeded. Step 10. Practice, track, and repeat. Confidence isn't built overnight, it's built daily. Keep track of your progress. Write down your small wins. Confidence is built by proving to yourself that you can. Now, here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, practice one of these techniques every day. Take notes on how you feel. Your brain will start to change, and so will your confidence. Confidence is not luck. It's not genetics. It's science. And now, you have the tools to start building it today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more content on confidence and personal growth. And let me know in the comments, which technique are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.